still learning, but today's attempt looks not too bad. Alright, hi everyone. So it's a new day today. I basically stayed at home earlier in the day because we have some maintenance work to do for our blinds. Now I'm heading out to meet my mom, and yeah, I actually just do very basic makeup every day I go out. I know that some of you guys have actually been asking me about my makeup routine, but to be honest, like, it's so simple that I'm not too sure whether it's actually worthy of like a video or reel sharing it. But maybe I'll get out to that one day. But just to show you guys what I do on a daily basis, just some sunscreen. Definitely I need the sunscreen. Then I will fill in my brows a little bit, conceal my under eye circles. To be honest, you can see that these few weeks my skin is not at its best. There are a lot of like clog pores and slight breakouts due to my period. Probably need to get my facial done soon. Today I tried on a new lip color. This one is the Peri Para Ink Matte Blur Tint in 07 Blush Pink. Not so bad, it's quite natural, and I think it brightens up my skin tone a little bit. But usually I use I've been using my Rouge Coco Flash from Chanel Beauty. This one is in the shade of 27, and look, I literally finished. There's nothing for me to turn anymore. Yeah, and because I finished the Chanel one, I went to get the Dior one. This one is in 727 Dior 2. This is the Dior Addict. So I like lip gloss finish. So I usually like to use like lipsticks that have like a glossy finish because I have very dry lips and I like the natural glow. But to be honest, I like the color payoff and how it feels on my lips. It's not sticky or oily. But I do find that like with glowy lipsticks, right, they tend to transfer, like color transfer. The color transfer is so strong. Yeah. So I decided to go back to my matte one today because I'm too lazy to touch up. I'm just heading nearby. I'm just going to meet my mom to eat. Okay, so I'm going to head out now. Bye! So it's Saturday today. I completely forgot to vlog yesterday, which is Friday, but I don't really think I did much. I went out for high tea with my friends and just hung around a little bit, had dinner and came home. That's about it, and did some work. So it's Saturday. I might have slept a little bit too much, but we are now preparing to head out for our late lunch / early dinner. Yeah, so not too sure what we have planned for today. Normally we don't really have plans for like weekends because I'm such a homebody. I just like to stay at home and do nothing. But today we decided to go out. Yeah, I got a new bag. So actually I picked up this one, but this is a guy's bag. I just thought it was really nice, so I picked this out instead of the female ones. So actually it's quite soft. I removed the support structure inside. Not too bad, I quite like it. And it fits this very whole casual style. It's so crowded, right? It's so crowded, right?
What?
It's so crowded. So we got our groceries delivered today. This is our second time ordering from Chuan Shui wet market since we moved in. Pretty much ordered the same things as the previous round, like mainly, soft bone. I tried soft bone and soup bone to make soup, and soft bone is kind of nicer personally lah. And we have some collar meat bone. Minced meat. Okay, I'm planning to make yong tau fu today, so I don't have to put this back into the freezer anymore. Some fish otak, and this should be a chicken breast. And some salmon. This should be chicken as well. Yeah. So they have another type of chicken here. So this is the chicken breast too. You can also order vegetables from them. I got myself some corn, long beans because Haojie likes to eat them, lotus roots with the mud inside. It's damn cool by the way, but you really need to clean it properly, and broccoli. So yeah, I'm going to put this into the fridge, and then I think we will go out to NTUC to get some fish, and then I'll come back and prepare the ingredients for tonight's dinner. Okay, today I'm cooking dinner. I'm planning to make yong tau fu again. This isn't the correct fish to use, but I can't find ma jiao yu or xi dao yu, and I don't really want to buy the ready paste. And there's also this rou sui. Usually I mix these two together because that's how like Hakka yong tau fu is made. And I also have my seasoning here. Since I'm actually blending the fish from scratch, I will need some seasoning. This is soy sauce, some 调味酒 and pepper. Today's coffee. Used oat milk today, but didn't manage to get any latte art. I will keep working harder.
Stormy.
Stormy, what are you doing? Oh my god, my ticklish!
No. Stormy. Hey. Stormy.
Stormy, you like me, is it? Oh
What?
my god, 救命！怎么办？
你不分的你。
很痒啊。
你还 OK 啥你？
Luckily, I wear long skirt to come here. So anyway, I'm at Assembly Clan. Got new set today.
Welcome.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What is Stormy doing? Stormy is fighting me. Help me! Okay, so I'm at Assembly Clan this afternoon. Hello. Can see you. I'm gonna shoot his new set in his studio and bring you guys show you a bit. Oh my god, oh my god. Stormy 在lick我的手. Tommy, you want to say hi since you like to be here so much? You see now I film him 他就走掉。觉得他有点 camera shy. Oh my gosh. So this is the new bedroom setup. Oh my god, it's so pretty and cozy. This Stormy. No, don't come here, Stormy. I wanted to show you the kitchen. Oh my god, this is damn scary. I feel like I cannot breathe soon. I need to drink water. Oh my god, 还有来了，还有来了，还有来了。Wow. My favorite, this is the fireplace. A new fireplace. Oh, 我的天 water. Please protect me from the water. Wow, it's so pretty.
Hey, say hi.
Dogs are not included in your studio booking though. Okay, so I completely forgot to vlog yesterday because I was so busy. I had a shoot and I also went to see a TCM. So I did some 拔罐. Oh my gosh, I look like a cow. So yeah, I went to see my TCM for like this really stiff neck that has been around for super long. And yeah, today is 2nd November. Oh my gosh, it's already like November, can't believe it. Like this year really just passed by so quickly. I'm currently going to head out. Currently going to go out to town because I've got a treatment appointment, and yeah, I've got some work to finish as well. I think I'll probably close off my weekly vlog by today. I'm gonna head out now, and maybe I'll just show you guys like the women's gym and treatment place that I've always been going to in town.